Hi there and welcome to this video. Are you looking for how to download apps without Apple ID password? If so, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to bypass the Apple ID password requirement on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more tips. First, some changes need to be made in your settings. Open Settings and head to the App Store. Here, enable app downloads, app updates, and in-app content under the automatic download section. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Passwords. Select Password Options, then turn off Autofill Passwords. Once this is done, close Settings and reopen it to ensure the changes are applied correctly. Now, there are two methods to bypass the Apple ID password requirement when downloading apps. Method 1. Turn off password for free downloads. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Go to Media and Purchases and select Password Settings. Turn off the Require Password option under the Free Download section. Tap Done to save your changes. This will allow you to install free apps without entering your Apple ID password. Method 2. Disable password for all purchases. You can also turn off password protection for all purchases, including paid apps. However, this isn't recommended as it could expose your device to unauthorized transactions. If you decide to proceed, go to Settings and tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions and navigate to iTunes and App Store purchases. Under Require Password, choose Don't Require. After making these changes, return to the App Store and try installing any app. It should now install without prompting for your Apple ID password. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.